Now, when one thinks of Afghanistan, it's hard to avoid thinking of a war-torn, unstable nation on the brink of collapse. But you'd be wrong. The country seems an unlikely market for investors, but for some, it's finally opening up. The government's reform push and a youthful population is changing minds about the country's growth potential. Courtney Body reports.
It's the king of cola, with one of the most high-tech factories in the region, if not the world, producing more than 40 million cartons of products each year. Yet this Coca-Cola factory is in Kabul, and it shines as one of the biggest success stories since the U.S.-led coalition forces invaded Afghanistan almost 12 years ago.
Coca-Cola, I mean, they take a big risk, but they are successful so far. And I have the same message to other multinational companies. If Coca-Cola is here, I mean, anyone can come and invest.
But the success does not come without worry. Off camera, a worker told CCTV that 70% of their products go to the foreign forces here. When the majority of them leave in 2014, this factory is at risk of losing its main customer base. The task now is to shift from the foreigners to the 30 million Afghans living here.
But it's a totally business decision by the management of Coca-Cola that whether they will come in the normal market, Afghani market, or they are supplying to the military and international communities. That's their decision. But there is huge demand on the current Afghan market. They can supply.
And that's just what Afghan businessmen are hoping for, as some recently invested more than $6 million to open a dealership for the American car maker Chevrolet. While in the U.S., these cars are considered economy cars. Here in Afghanistan, the price tags range from about $25,000 for a small sedan, up to over $50,000 for an SUV. Even with the steep prices, the manager tells me that 20 have been sold out of this showroom in the last 2 weeks alone.
Our customers are Afghan, and for us, it doesn't matter if the foreigners leave or stay.
So while there is a legitimate fear among foreigners that investing in Afghanistan would be a great risk, the Afghan businessmen say that they too have a fighting chance. The Afghan government just announced new incentives for foreigners to invest here, one sign of how far the country has come with economic and commercial development. And with the young and increasingly urbanized population, this could be one target market Western businesses are looking for. Courtney Body, CCTV, Kabul.